welcome back to my channel. By the title of the video, you already know this is gonna be a hair tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to achieve beachy waves, not super perfect but still stylish waves. A lot of people ask me all the time, hey, how do you do your hair, blah 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 blah, and I'm always like, trying to explain how I do it, and then they're like, oh my gosh, that's too complicated or whatever. And I was thinking, you know what, I should just do a hair tutorial on how I do my hair. I know this is nothing super special and a lot of people know how to do this on their own already, but there's a lot of people that I know that don't know how to do it, so I'm doing this hair tutorial for you guys, people that have asked me on how to achieve this hairdo. So yeah, if you want to learn how to achieve this look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna let you guys know a little bit about my hair. Okay, so I like to do this hairstyle when my hair is like semi-straight. If you could tell, my hair is like a little bit straightened, but not all the way. I pretty much like it to be straight from the top. I don't like it to be frizzy, and it's just not the look that I'm going for. So when I get out of the shower, I use this detangler. It's a Pantene detangler, and I really love it. I've been using this detangler for a long time now. So if you have really treated hair and it's like really dry and it tangles every time you get out of the shower, you should try this one. Another one that I use a lot is this one. I recently started using it. It's a Pot Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I use this one after that Pantene, and when it's already dry again, when I'm gonna like strain it or do something like that, I use it before and after, and that leaves your hair really shiny and soft. This is a dry shampoo. I use this one maybe for like a day that your scalp is kind of feeling a little bit greasy and it's like time for you to like wash your hair, but like you didn't have time, and you know what I mean. So I use this one for in times like today in the morning I was like, it's a little bit greasy but it's still good, so I'm gonna use the dry shampoo. So I use this one, and this also gives you a lot of volume when you already like did the style and stuff. So I really love using this one. And also I use this one after just a little bit to just kind of give my hair that kind of beachy wave look. I don't wet my hair with it. I just give it a little, spray, and it just leaves it really pretty and nice. I also use this one when I really don't want to do my hair and it's wet, and I just like use it all over my hair, and I just like crunch it up, and then it gives you a really natural finish as well. So those are the products that I use for my hair. So now let's get started with the tutorial. Okay guys, so the two tools that you're gonna need for this hair tutorial is just gonna be a curler iron and then a strainer. This curler iron is nothing fancy or anything, and it is a little thick, if you could tell. I'm not sure how many inches is this one, but I mean, it doesn't really matter as long as you follow the tutorial how I'm telling you. It's gonna come out really good. It doesn't matter if you use like a really thick one or like a thin one. The first thing that I do is I get a little bit of hair in the bottom, right here like this, and I just like a little bun on top, like a half bun. And let me fix my shirt first. And then after that, I kind of like part it into sides, and I brush it out a little bit like this. And I don't get this whole chunk. I maybe would part this in threes. Here. back, wrap around for 8 seconds, and lift the tip down. For this part, it's a little bit different because this chunk of hair is a little bit shorter. So you wrap around a little bit less and you leave out the tip. That. Wrap around, leaving the tip out, and pulling down, and do it for 8 seconds. So you're gonna be doing, guys, with all your hair, and then I'll see you right now when I do the rest of the hair to do the top. Okay guys, so after you're done with the middle part and the bottom part, it should look something like this. Remember that it doesn't have to be super perfect because we're gonna perfection it at the end. And this is the whole point of the look. Like, the waves should look messy and like if you didn't try it, but they still look, you know, really pretty and stylish. So now I'm gonna go down like this. Look a little crazy right now, but so what I like to do, I like to part it from the middle like that. That's how I like to part my hair. Then now you grab all the hair to the side. Then you brush it out, of course. We're gonna go wrap it around, drag it down like that, leave it there for 8 seconds. Remember the tip, you have to hold it down. Alright. Okay guys, now that your hair is all curled, what you want to do is grab your straightener and just kind of like go over some pieces that are not like that great. Like, for example, this one right here. I'll just be kind of like, I'll just like grab it from the bottom and just go like that, and then I just go over the tips and the bottom like this and just straighten them a bit, just the tip. Okay. Oops. stuck over here. And then I like also to go over the little tiny ones on top. So it should look something like this. And then on the top, it's not too puffy right now, but I still like to go a little bit over it with the straightener. Just the top part. And I think it's looking good. I'm gonna turn this off. I don't want to burn myself. And I'm gonna show you guys the final look. Alright guys, this is it for the video. This is the hair tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it and also learn how to do this hair tutorial. You guys are gonna look so beautiful and pretty with this hair. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you should. Like this video and please comment down below what other videos you would like to see from me. Also, if you haven't clicked the little bell on the side, you should. I really don't have a consistent schedule. I'm not gonna know if I post it or not, so that's gonna, you know, notify you every time I post. So yes. I really enjoyed doing this video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it. And yes, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.